Welcome to Lali's Bag YouTube channel, where bag making is made easy. In today's video, I'll be showing you a lunch bag design you can sew for children. So this is the inside part of the lunch bag. So it has a cartoon character and it has a top handle and adjustable long handle. So this is the lunch bag. I have a full tutorial on how to cut and sew this lunch bag. So if you are interested, just pay the sum of 700 naira to this account number and send your proof of payment to the phone number below. So you're not joining any wait list. The video is already recorded, so you just have instant access to the video. So it's a well-detailed video that covers the materials needed, how to cut your material, how to get your measurements, and how to sew your lunch bag. So it's well detailed. Just send the sum of 700 naira to this account number, Wema Bank, and send your proof of payment to this phone number. Alright, thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.